Good morning.
This is our 23rd annual Beginning Teachers Workshop. Part of the thing that makes the program special is this network of graduates that we have. They're not paid. They volunteer their time. They come back because, frankly, they're still part of the education family.
It speaks to the relationship that you are going to have with that student sitting in front of you.
The preparation you get within the Augustana Ed department, they treated me the way that I wanted to treat my students. To be back here now, kind of helping them out, speaking to this next group, pretty special.
The graduates that speak every year, and we've had literally hundreds, I think they feel a powerful bond to the college itself, the relationships that they've created here at the college.
When I was at Augustana, I really appreciated this seminar and being able to learn from teachers that were already in the field, and I found that very valuable.
So they can kind of see what the theory looks like in action and also introduce them to some new best practices. And then it's also a networking opportunity. Just develop that relationship, because that's one of the things that brings me back year after year is the relationships that I had.
We have great connections with these different alumni, and you can see the connections that they have with the professors shows how important the program really is to them and how much they felt like they've learned and that they're still part of the community even though they've left the school for some over 10 years.